Hey everybody, Lawrence here from Crypto Learning Space. It's been a while since I've been on, but I've been trying to trade futures and stuff like that. That didn't work so well. But I'm back into crypto. Um, Crypto market is starting to pick back up again. It's getting bullish. It's getting ready to have nice bull runs. There will be some drops probably towards the end of the year, but then it'll go back up again. But right now it's on a bull run, so you kind of, it's really worth investing your money now while the prices are down. It's pretty much at its bottom. After, every 4 years they got the halving, and it comes down and everything. But now we have China that's in a rush to get ETFs, spot ETFs for Bitcoin prior to the United States. So they're trying to get theirs first. So we have the United States, like JP Morgan and Fidelity and all of them trying to get spot ETF Bitcoin. So that, right now you're talking about $1 trillion crypto, which will end up being trillions of dollars, which means, you know, around the world, right now is the time to get in, because the volatility from everybody getting in is where you make the money. When you're in early, you always say, oh, I missed the boat. Well, if you don't get in now, you'll miss the boat, because you'll either get in later when you're forced to get in, or you can get in now and ride the wave up. But I wanted to tell you about a few good things. As you can see, right now, especially for the past 7 days, crypto has just been on the rise. Okay, it's been, you can look at any of them, they're all going up. So the bull market is coming. Just to let you know, I wanted to talk about a couple things. I want to also talk about elephant money. I always talk about elephant money. It's been on the rise. Somebody cashed out some profits, but that's fine. That's what that's what you should do, is cash out some profits. Somebody cash out some big profits, but anyway, that's what you do, and it's on its way back up. But it can never crash all the way. That's what's good about elephant money, because unless you're the last man standing, and the value of your elephant money is the worth of the treasury, well, then that's it. But I mean, other than that, it can never really crash on you. So anyway, it's heading up. It's going to continue to go up. It's a great time to get in, because as last time, these zeros start to wipe off pretty fast. As the price continues to go up, those zeros start coming off, and your money just starts doubling and tripling, and so pretty good to get into right now. Always been a fan of elephant money. Also, if you take a look at the banner bubbles, kind of tells you what's hot and what's not. So in the last hour, let's see what comes up here. Okay, so in the last hour, you can see Link is pretty good. TON's pretty good. Tron, I tell you, Tron is like a stable coin almost. I mean, the market crashes and it doesn't crash. The market will go up, it'll go up, but it just never makes the money that these do, the percentage wise. But it's like a really good stable coin. If things start crashing, you throw it into Tron. It takes a long time for Tron to start to go down. It's pretty stable. That's one thing I do like about Tron. Anyway, so that's the last hour. Okay, if you look at today, during the day, ETH is up. All the greens, they're doing pretty good. They're up. And then if you look at the week, everything's up for the week. Okay, Caspa up 36% for the week. Awesome token. I'll tell you what, that token right now, Caspa, I think that's going to be like, I'm thinking like at least $1.50 minimum by like February or March. It might even be more than that, but because it's an awesome it's an awesome it's not a it's not like a linear blockchain. It's actually got DAGs. It's a DAG chain, so it's a little different, but it's proof of work, and it's really a good thing. And then Cake, look, up 73%. Cake's another one that, you know, Binance, that really hit some bottom numbers in this bottom. So, I'll show you a couple good tokens that I believe, and actually I really know that if you hold on to them, you have the potential to probably say, like, by April, you can probably at a minimum 1x, you know, you can double your money. But I'm gonna say you can probably about I'm gonna say 5x, 10x your money. So if you had $1,000, it'd be like $10,000. If you had $10,000, it'd be $100,000. You know, but I would say by April. Okay, that's how good this is gonna be going. Injective, I believe this one right now it's only at $16. But I have a feeling that this one is actually probably going to be worth well over $100. It's an awesome protocol where it connects different blockchains, and as you can see on the daily chart, it's just going up. And I did have some down here at 8. It's kind of like, you know, sometimes you just wish you would just kind of get in. Right now is a good time to get in, because when it's 100, I know this one's at least going to be $100, $200 in the bull run, in at least. I'm just saying, you know, you get in when it's low, and just hold on to these, because they're going to go. You know, it's kind of like just, so basically what I'll be doing is, you know, just building tokens, you know, just getting, you know, buying some and holding them and just letting them roll. Cake last time in the run was well over $20. It's $2 now. So you're talking at $20, it's $2 now. You're talking 10x your money, you know. So if you have $1,000 in Cake, hits $20, you know. If it hits $20, then you're talking 10 times your money. So yeah, so it'd be 10 grand for 1,000. So you can just see they're going up. Render is going to be big time. That's $2. Render, I'm sure Render also. That's got a lot of space to grow. It's CPUs is where it's at. Render is about CPUs and stuff. They got a lot of stuff going on. So as you can see, it's going up. Render, I'm sure down the road you'll be like, oh, I wish I would have bought some, because even say if it only went to $30, you know, it's $2 now. Okay, so you're talking, you know, you're still well over 10x your money. So kind of like, you know, it's worth buying and holding, and you're talking within the year from now. Okay, because the bull run's coming. Within a year from now, you would do that. So it's kind of like, you know, even if you only had a couple $100, if you 10x that, say $200, you 10x that, you $2,000, right? I mean, what else can you ask for? You know, Caspa. This is this one here. I'm thinking a minimum. Man, this one I believe is actually going to go really well. It's just really early on, and It's 6 cents right now. I started buying in at 2 cents. And then I had sold. I made a lot of profit, and then I switched it to futures and kind of didn't do too well there. So, but the thing is now I'm back in it again, but it's just kind of like, I got in, I think it was around 5.4 around here. So, so basically, I'm just holding it though now. I'm not selling any more of it. Basically, just gonna keep adding, keep on buying as it goes up. Anything under $1, I'm buying. I believe this Caspa. I think it has a long ways to go. I'm talking, I don't know if it's this year, next year, this bull run, next bull run. I don't know, but I think, you know, um, I think it had, I'm talking $5-10 minimum. So, from 6 cents. But I'm just gonna hold it and just let that ride. That's one investment I'm not gonna touch. Uh, Vet, everybody loves Vet. Who doesn't? We were really counting on them the last time. Uh, we're on another bull run. I believe Vet will go back up. Okay, Vet was at one time, we were all hoping for $1 at one time, but anyway, it's 2 cents right now. So even if it went to 10 cents, right? That's, you know, uh, 5 times your money. Say if it goes to 20 cents, 10 times your money. So $1,000 is 10 grand. This should not have any problem going up. That's what I'm saying. These coins are good. XRP. XRP is another one. Okay, it's 66 cents right now. Right? Now the thing is XRP also. So 66 cents. Say if it hit its all-time high. Because last bull market got messed up because of the SEC and all the lawsuits and stuff. So, and then they stopped letting the exchanges sell it and everything else. They pretty much cut it out of the United States. Now that it won, it's actually considered a currency. Now it'll be tradable. So here you go. So it's on its way up. That has the potential, say, for $5 to $10. So if it's $10, right, you're talking 10x. Actually, if it goes to $10 at 68 cents, it's more than 10x. It's like 15x or something. But anyway, you see what I'm saying? So if you put in $1,000, it's going to be $10,000 or $15,000, say, by next year. Where are you going to get that kind of money? Also, the dollar is getting devaluated big time. They're getting ready to start the printers up again because other countries won't buy our bonds anymore. We have over 27 countries that refuse to use the dollar anymore, and they're just growing. And they're getting off of the petrodollar everywhere. So kind of like, that's why China's in a rush to beat the United States, and they're getting into this with the spot ETFs of Bitcoin and stuff like that, is because whoever controls capital, whoever controls money, that's who controls the world. And that's what they're trying to do because they know the dollar is going out, and our government has just blown it all. They just keep spending and printing and devaluating and cutting off other people's money, and they've become dictators themselves and just crushing other countries, and nobody wants to be under a dictatorship controlling their money. So that's where it's going, is where even they can't control it. Nobody can control this. So basically, and eventually everybody will have to be on it because that's the only way you'll be able to trade your money. So it's coming. Trust me. So anyway, XRP. So, as you can see, now there is another one, ALF. This one here is kind of still going down, but it should be almost right towards the bottom. Now, this is a good one to kind of try to keep your eye on, because just like all the other ones going up, this one will start going up too. So look at today's highest APR was 133% at one time today. Okay, so it does have you can invest in these on the daily. Um, yeah, so you'll see this one here. Yeah, see, so it's kind of like I don't know if we can do the weekly. It might not be long enough to be on it. There you go. All right, so as you can see, some people bought it all the way up here at 12 cents. Okay, it's 6 cents. So there's these people here that are stuck here, but eventually it's going back up there anyway in the bull run. But the thing is um, at 6 cents to 12 cents, that's double your money, 1,000 to 2,000. So the thing is it's probably around the bottom here somewhere. It shouldn't really go too much less. As the bull run comes on, this thing's going to start going back up. So this is a good one that you can actually get in the bottom versus some of these are starting to go up now. You're still in the bottom. Trust me, you're a long ways from the bottom because like cake at $2 is a $20 token. You know, all these are, you still 10, 20x on your money. But this one here is kind of at a bottom, and Alf actually, say if it goes up to $1.50 or something, you know, you're talking could actually be pretty substantial from 6 cents. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted to get on real quick. It's been a while since I talked about some, but crypto is actually starting to come back in again, and it's before the halving. This is before the Bitcoin halving. Everything starts to kind of, there's usually like a big drop, and then it goes up, and then it just runs for about 2 or 3 months, skyrockets, and then it drops after that. So kind of like this is the time to get in. Now whether it will drop like that, it'll be hard to say. Things may change now that they're doing all these spot ETFs. Now you're talking about trillions getting into the market. It could be pretty volatile at times because some can buy and then they can, with them spot ETFs, they can drop a lot at some time. Who knows how it's going to be? This is going to be a whole new area of how things are going to actually run. But you know, everybody's racing to get it. All these countries are racing to hold the most of crypto because that's the new digital money, and it's on, you know, it's like cash in your pocket. Okay, and that's what it is. It's cash. I mean, they can track you pretty much a little more than cash money because it's on the blockchain and it's all, everybody can see it. So if they know your wallet might be anonymous, but they can still track where it goes, and if they figure out it's your wallet, then they would know all your transactions. You know, so it's kind of, but the thing is they can't control it, so they can't take your money, they can't confiscate your money unless you give them your passwords and stuff. I mean, if they come and raid your house and you got passwords written down or whatever, you know, then yes, somebody can get your money. But I mean, other than that, or if they get in your computer and you got it on your computer, then yes. But to actually get it from the blockchain, it's going to be some error that you did. So always get like a ledger, hard wallet that takes it off a line so that if somebody does get into your computer, they can't steal your stuff because you got a ledger. Other than that, you know, now's the time that a lot of scammers are going to be starting to get in because the bull run's coming and money's coming in. So you're going to get a lot of scammers. So don't ever listen to anybody about, oh, we're a support service. This is all, you know, basically, you know, get it on a hard drive. There's actually a good Tangent wallet. Tangent wallet's a really good one because it works with your phone and it's on the card and boom, and that's it. And nobody can ever steal that from you. So Tangent wallet, that's a good one too. I got one of those. So Yeah, so go ahead and now's the time to get in. And I'm telling you right now, this is the bottom line. This is the bottom of the bottom. I've been in this stuff for years. It's going to start going up now. Now's the time. Get in while it's down. Like I said, it's going to skyrocket. And then it will come down again, just like the market does, you know. But the thing is it's going to go up. So get in now. Let it sit. And by next year, when it is top dollar, that's when you get out, pull some of your profits. You can still stay in if you want to leave some in there, because I mean it's not like going away. It's around forever. So, you know, but you can always pull. You should always pull profits, and go from there. See you around next time. CryptoLearningspace.com.